अहानबदा मरोइबा पाव अंगांग सिंगी स्टेट पॉलिसी कैबिनेट पुथोक्तुना चटना हननबा होटनरगनी हाइना चीफ मिनिस्टर बिरेन फोंदोक्रे अमसोंग ngarang numidangdagi chukiba nongna Imphal gi akutpa mafam kaya ising thumle from JS TV pau meeting tabri basimbu taram nokchuri hojik pau sadong pizar Angang Singi State Policy Cabinet Puthokhtuna Chatna Hanana Bahotnaragani Haina Chief Minister N Birena Phongdokre Wafamasi Rims Jubilee Holder Manipur Alliance for Child Right Amadi Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Right Anina Kutsam Naduna Sinba Nipal Lakshuba State Level Children Cultural Meet Phongdokibani Ngasigi Thoramaduda Manipur Legislative Assembly ki Speaker Y Khem Chan, Social Welfare Minister Nemchak Kipgan, Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights ki Chairperson S. Sarat Kumar Sharma Amadi, Manipur Alliance for Child Rights ki Convener Montu Ahanthem na Saruk Yaki Loinana, Angang Singi Thorum Kayasu Pangthoki. Chief Minister N. Birena Piklib Angang Singbu Mahai Tamanab Amadi, Tabak Tauhangani Haiduna Mapalam da Puduna, Angang Singbu Aran Balambida Season Naramba Kaya Thengna Krabani, Masida Natana Mioybagi Hakchangi part kaya Loktok Lamba Amadi, Lalo Lambagi Pausu, Miyam Natana Ribani, Asigumba Thong, Asidagi, Mama Pa Oiba Singna, Jackson Ba Matoktai. Manipur Sarkar na Angang Singi Oiba Policy Atubada Cabinet Puthoktuna Chatna Hanana Bahonagani, Amaromda Chakwat Taurangi Matangda Palladuna, Tamenglong District Yoina, Atubada 50-bedded hospital Sangaragani. District Asigi Lupa Crore Kuntra Manga Changna Sagadaba Water Supply Scheme Amadi, Ima Market Sananaba Jatra Hullagani. Trans-Asian Highway gi Imphal More Nattaba Singhatagi Bihang Fawba kilometer Kunipa Sangba Lambi asi National Highway da Onthoktuna Trans-Asian Highway gi Anishuba Highway Ohennaba Ministry na Ayaba Pirakle Haiki.
Social leader naman yan na politician naman yan po na service na wala ko siya. Sige asing bali adugumba. Waraba taraba lair kanala jero mayamdo faduna service sab torga na mo idu lima na thakka kulan na bagi madugi thamtu bu ne bada singba service hai Manipuri non hai is ko phonglo si khangna rakra ne kari chana dali unadra ne khangre ko ado isum la khongla ko sel ko aduna sugum bagi occasion si khar toina bajana bun madrakar lai I could not lie to change the meat currently, one of William, another Moyam. From the practical life, practically life. And about lying among them, lying among them. Subum Sabum, let them the machine, paying the go to paying the when don't have to be shown the nuts. Employment, I am Peter, Mayum the Tabo shown the other way up. Your money shop. We could have come to my car to Yum Hajam Saraga Manipur Chapel in Highway. Manipur is supported with the point, Lay even Kunga single labor Mayam and a Shaman. Gadi Osama Kongamapa. Check Yumama the labor of the Pasana and one Prava. Masama Susin of a school that Tambangamakum drew. Set totally Jerome to the new Manipur. Thanks for raising the village.
Ngarang numidangdagi chukiba nongna Imphal gi akutpa mafam kay ising thumle Imphal East amasung West ki maroiba lambi sing ising thumjin bana chathok chasinda khudong chada mamayok nare Imphal East ki Andro Parking Palace Compound Khurai Sarjor Thoijing Dam Laikai gi mafam sing ising thumle Imphal West ki Uripok Lamphel Sega Road Hodam Lairak Kakwa gi mafam kya de sing thumle Imphal Iril Amadi Kongba Turel gi imai suwang khatle Cherak sida India Meteorological Department Ministry of Earth Sciences tagi fangba Paugi Matung ina Matang Thagi Ahum Fauba Manipur Yauna Awang Nong Poki Mafam Singda Akanba Nong Tarabayay. Hokiba Pung Kun Marida Imphal da Nong Taki Bagi Chang Millimeter Kuntra Mapal Dasmik Ahum Oiki Hairi. Sanapati Turel Pathok na chain badagi Fawamadi Mahimarom Kya Amang Atathokle. Wako Kulmanakta Sanapati Turel Matakta Saba Jion Thong Ising na chain Thagadore. Thong Asi Tatkrabadi Kunja Singh District Headquarter of Faunaba Ngamlaroi Hairi. Imphal Dimapur Lambigi Mount Jain School Manakta Chingning Kai Badagi Gari Chathok Jasinda Kudong Chadaba Mayoknare. Irabot Celebration Committee Kumbi Local Council na sinduna chamaga kunmatoy shuba lamyan mahizam Irabot ningsing thauram ngarang Kumbi Bazar da pangthokre. Thauram aduda Bisnupur Jilla Parishad ki upa adhyaksha A. Brozen, CPI Manipur State Council ki Secretary Dr. M. Nara, State Secretariat Member Langol Iboyaima, L. Sotin Kumar, Dr. Dhanabil Laishamsu Sarukyaki. Miyamgi luchingba Irabot ki mitam puduna kumbigi akoybada March pa chalaba matungda laysu katunay kay kumnabot ki Dr. Dhanabil Laishramna Irabot na pamjaramba mahaki wakalol amadi afaba thabak thoram adu aikoy ni inba ngamdrabadi mahaki thoram pangthokpagi kanabaleroy haiki.
Kung di Miron Maidaba, kung di Manipur Mimana, Mamalaba, kung di Manipur Punai, Simana Punai, Veda, Sanakar of Posido, Wakano, understand the women of Haikal, not be hypothetical. Matama was a yearly Iraq of the Tobuja. Masi Wakano, the Kamina of Iraq of the Masi Wakano, the Kamina, Iraq of the Wari Salamu.
Dr. M. Narana Irabot na tauramba afaba thabak thauramna chingtam nungshi chana na leiba mi na mibu otta bahaiba wakalol aduna ngasidi politics ki khenaba thamdana civil society amadi lup kayana mahaki thaurmasi pak satna pangthok narakle hairi.
Adu Communist Party ni Irabot se Communist Party tadi ni haina ko konjan jadi mahaki prajagi sampati ni. He is the property of the people of Manipur. Civil society kaya mahaki torongwa magna chakamba maki wakalo na si yabi kana Irabot mako kumon palo kasi Manipur na tanaka Manipur ni mapanda Assam da Tripura da Bangladesh da tauni
Tungda thoramasigi sarogama oina state level painting cultural dance competition su pangthoki. Three Korgi GOC Lieutenant General Anil Chauhan numit nini ki khongchetta ngarang Imphal da thungduna border gi ngak senbagi fibam yengsin kre GOC na ngarang Chief Minister Biren gasu unaduna state asida hojik oiriba law and order gi matang da su khanaki Labour Loisangda Maoist Communist Party Manipurna Sinmi Miyam gi chakthong lan lokthok kibasing cherak fanghana da bahotnariba khongthang asigi saruk ama oina Loisang asigi chairperson amadi cashier chayol amagi manungda miyam khangna mafamdagi lokthok fam thoi haiki Loop asigi standing committee coordinator Kayonghan Mangangi Chayo Cherol Amana Labour Minister from Thadu Haina Gandhi Jayanti October Anida General Strike Chathagani Haiba Khongthang Adudi Hojik Labour Loisangda Oirakli ba ahong bakaya asina maram oiraga matam kharagi oina handokle hairi Loisang asida Loop asina General Strike kaukraba matungda official mari suspend toba laikre adubo Loop asina masida apen ba oide skill development ki NGO mari da chaurakna amamamda lakh humfutra henbagi senfam sing Lana season Akibalere, upon Basen from Lupa Crore Manga, Lak Nifu Henbagi sent from Kaitok Kibalere. Masida Natana, Labor Listing Tarukam Chamanga Henbagi sent from Kaitopada Cha the Tara, Loisang Asigi from Naibasing Nakakli. Masida Chow Cheneri Basi, Level Loisangi chairperson Amadi Keser Anina Nihari. Chayol Amagi Manung the Kesher Ani Amadi chairperson na Miyam Kangna, Masagi Maral Yajada Batoklabadi, General Strike Asi, Chayol Amagi Manung the Amukhana Lauk Tokloy the Bagi Maram Laite, Lida Balomi Sin Mimiam gi chakthung matpa lup asina kaidongai da tumin lai thokloi hairi pau gi marak that natin mabrek ama
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Irujo Coaching Institute admission open for 4-month CBSE comprehensive course for class 9, 4-month CBSE revision course for class 10 and 12. Class commencing from 11th October 2017. Class timing 4:45 to 7:30 p.m. Features probable questions, discussion, previous year's questions, discussion, study materials, worksheets, practice test series, mock test, performance assessment for its students. For details, please contact Irujo Coaching Institute. Contact number 8131025634. Chacobo Gold Bonanza at Airport Mall, Changangai Airport Road. Participating stores are Adidas SPC, Adidas Originals, The Danish Rack, W and Arrow, Crocs, Samsonite, First Cry and Adidas Kids. First prize, 1 lucky winner to get 10 gems gold coin. Second, 3 lucky winners, 5 gems gold coin each. Third, 5 lucky winners, 2 gems gold coin. And fourth, 10 lucky winners, 1 gem gold coin each.
Hakchangi labor solar padagi producing at taba, hakchang choktarpa, tumba chaba yaraktaba, khung hama nungayaktaba singitabat, amatta nayaba upaidi, jolib syrup, amasu, jolib capsule with changinis navio.
City suara jengge ture kari no tu ti cha muझे kari gau sa sidi yoshi na ni hai masigi yoshi di tata disco ni ne adudi sanagi mohut yang na sinba yamdre
Website launch. The regular English High School Kwagatel Haino Konimbi Imphal has launched school website www.rhsimphal.com. Log in to website for information like managing committee and general body members, list of teaching staff, alumni of the school, exam results which can be seen through the website, achievement of the school, SSLC results based on the SEM, admission which can be done through online.
I say business amma tawsirana khanbani. Bakery gi tawsirana mukhalle. Adu khallurakanda madu sabada changadawa machine singduna akhoi sai thong phangbiradi phadawba.
Why all drama when you get it all in Green Cane Industries? Get easy installment and free after sale service. Hurry, Green Cane Industries for better baking.
Sky Hospital da world class interventional cardiology ki khudong chab lejare operation tawdana heart ke ahoba menba coronary stenosis balloon na kam thoga stent hapa madi mi hun chongba gi layeng RF ablation singba chahi ani de hena Sky Hospital da mai park satharatli loinana PPI ICD combo amasung angiogram gi damak aikoi gi chief cardiologist Dr. L Shyam Kishore gatanabiu ningam hogdana ba hana booking tawbiu.
Drink pure, live healthy, we care.
Introducing Tata Nexon. It takes the SUV beyond the next level. We call it Level Next. Tata Nexon. Level Next. Bookings open now.
Break matungna taram nokchuri hizima khata bapauda Grace Academy Yaripok Kekru gi Mari Suba Foundation de Thorangam loinana Oja Singi Numit Thoram Yaripok Kekru Community Hall da pangtokre Thoramadu da Adult Literacy State Coordinator Longjam Jibal Poiro Khongjil High School gi Oja Pundongbam Nongthol amasung Soraisam Kalasu Sarukyaki Oja Singda Mahiroi Singna Khudol Tambaga loinana Academy asigi afaba Mahiroi Singda Manamathum Sing Yentoki League of Calopatrias Wangkai Ningtempukri Mapalna Ningtempukri Hena Masak Tokna Lehenaba Sengdokpagi Thoram Hokre Jahi Kudingi Leptana Pangtokpagi Saruk Amo Oina Numit Humni Game Asi Pangtokibani Manipur building singi seismic vulnerability assessment haibasida no mogeba workshop ama Institution of Engineer takel da pangthokre Thoramadu da Institution of Engineer India Manipur State Center gi chairman KH Tenba Secretary N Joy Kumar ICI Manipur Center gi Secretary M Ibohal Bisu Sarukyaki N Joy Kumar na Manipur da yuhar habagi akiba lairiba asi matau karamna yum sing sagadage haibagi matangda miyam da bab tahanaba thoramasi pangthokpani haiki
Matamda paisa hena sangani haibadigi wakhallon amo loinana koi architecture gi phajaba design myam torogusu structure gi site ta walhuba yot hapagi niom khanghudawa amadi portico khangde karum khangde henduraga koina masi tungda nakang phajabagi yenguraga tungda madon thokada khudong thiba kyam oi kusing madui fitan oi bisingdo ngasi gi seminar sila koi munna khanaraga public present awareness pibagi khudong cha dokjaba
Northern Forest Division Kangpokpigi Divisional Forest Officer na Sinduna Humfu Mari Suba Wildlife Week Thorang Kanglatombi da Leiba Radiant Star Education Center da pangthokre. Thauramgi sarukama oina mahiroi singi layekpa changnamna bama kanglup ani thokna pangthoki DFO Kangla Tombi gi mahiroi singi khongchat amasu chatki. Thauramadu da Kangla Tombi Gram Panchayat ki Pradhan Siv Kumar Center sigi Principal Jagdish Chandra DFO TH Gopendro su sarukyaki. All Manipur Handicapped Persons Welfare Association na District Legal Services Authority Imphal West ka kutsam na duna State Legal Services Committee ang makada noong Legal Awareness Program ama konjeng lekay da pangtokre. Saiton Gram Panchayat Development Committee amadi Village Water and Sanitation Committee na Gram Panchayat asigi Pradhan da chakwat thaurangi thadarakpa senfam kaya lana season nakre haiba wafam asi yumfam yaugdabani. Handa ki mikal asida khudong chabal law na bahot na bani haina Pradhan soibam samungong na sengdorakli. Thabak shudana sel kaithokre hairiba thabak Nepal gi manungda Saiton Pukri achoba mapal gi wetting set maningthong semjinba Salal Konjing Part 1 gi Community Hall gi thabak sing mamangi Pradhan gi matamda sel kaithoki bangaktani. Atay thabak mangagi beneficiary masa khangdana sel kaithokre hairiba sisu beneficiary masa masana sel kaithokra bangaktani hairi.
Lising ani kai haiba wafam se aran ba jumpham jawdo pauni masigi paisa sidi sariba singi ward ward gi sariba member sing sariba mi singa haktheng na unabiraga khangbigani aikoi gi chathok chachin photo kapana chingba mayam aduda makhoi na changiba paisa do madu khaidokhraga lupa lising tara phangi 33 suna phangde haiba oiramgani masigumba aran ba pausing asi mayam na thajabidana ba aina miyang mpham da roi boina sengdok
Karnataka ki Sivamogada October Mari dagi Nepal fawa pangthokadoriba humfu humdoi suba nupa macha masung nupi macha ki Junior National Ball Badminton da saruk yagadaba Manipur ki team Manipur Legislative Assembly ki Speaker Y Khemchana Chingamaka Model Club tagi lamthakre. Tharamadu da Ball Badminton Association ki President L Kumar, General Secretary TH Tomba, Vice President Nabachandra ate Executive Member singsu saruk yaki. Manipur ki team asi nupa ki da M Saratna Manager L Upendro na coach nupigi team manager na Sarungbam Pritam coach na S Dijen Ceremony Speaker Y Khemchana Manipur gi team gi damak mai pak na bayai fa paujel pi bagaloy na Manipur gi mingchat purak pa oirasunu haiki
adure hen den khalegi amara just sum ai gi sanawa amara ai stage gi sanawa ne kala sanawa ado noi me am chali se stage gi sanawa ne kala sanalo oi forward to the ai lakki wani ko le ba ko jom kai mun koi dong ri sini zamani sana ba ju mun ko be ai to be but ai ki sana me spirit to ai set represent those sana ne spirit to le re so all of us
PHED Kangpokpi Investigation Planning and Design Division Chandral Amadi Technopol na Sinduna Chingmairong de Leba PHED Office Amadi Akoiba Singh Lamtu Sengdokre Swasta hi Seva gi Saruka Moina Tharmasi Pangthokpani Kangpokpi gi EERK Devenna October ani fawba chathariba campaign gi Saruka Moina Luna na Leina na Bapandamda Tharom asi chathabani haiki
He sewa ina ko under the Swast Bharat mission ki makada akoi luna na bagi damukta Bharat se independent phangaga su ko honorable prime minister pamidi independent na teba Bharat je anan ba country mo ohen bu ki panam ne ba adu ki chathara potuna akoi tang keno ji ani da loiraga so mayam ji da yawi ba akoi ki sa mayam ji ko akoi ki lekai da khangde akoi club da khangde sigi continue oina chathabi wa ba Bharat is honorable prime minister haije independent phangboda nate but lu nan basu ama ohelaji country je na adu ki damukta tawba akoi campaign ne ba
Hauzero bada maroi ba pau amukhanna Angang singi state policy cabinet puthok-tuna chatna hanana ba hotnaragani haina chief minister and Birena Phongdokre Amasong ngarang numidang dagi chukhiba nong na Imphal ge kutpa mafam kaya ising thumlei Hauji Faubi ko na Steve na pijaba pa matang asya dalo sinjari medyang tabiri ba sing mamukan na kurumjari.
Housing for All by 2022 mission PMAY CLS Urban Amadi Gravin gi makhada